guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be putting a Cobb Stage 1 package on a 2016 WRX STI. I want to give a huge shout out to Jair for letting me try this out on his car. He is the guy who purchased the Stage 1. We're gonna be doing a before and after of how the car handles with and without the intake. Now this does come out to be around $1,000, so it is one of those things that a lot of Subi owners like to do first to their cars. But one of the things that I want to know if it actually makes a difference to the car. Does it help with the boost lag? Does it not help with the boost lag? Does it make it quicker? Does it make it slower? But today we're gonna finally answer that question. We're gonna be putting the Cobb access port on the car, and we're gonna be timing the 0 to 60 without the intake, and then we're gonna put the intake and then try out the 0 to 60 with the Stage 1 on there as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got Jair's car now here. Are you excited, Jair? I was telling them how you're ready for all of those turbo noises.
I'm ready.
Show them the packages.
For all those turbo noises. We got Cobb and HKS, the other ones in that big box.
Oh, you got them all individually, right?
Yeah.
All right, but right now we're gonna go get some flybys and some inside turbo noises of how it sounds stock, so that we can get the before and after of the turbo noises. So yeah, not that many turbo noises, but like I said, today we are gonna be changing that on his Subi. This is how it sounds right now. Not a lot of noises. Yeah, not a lot of noises, is there? We're changing that today though, boys. Alright, so right now we're just gonna be putting in the Cobb access port. It's really simple. All you really gotta do is just connect it to the ECU, follow the instructions, but we're just gonna go ahead and then put this on right now. Alright, so right now we just got done installing the Cobb access port. We got all the gauges set up already, but we also set up launch control, which is going to be down here. It's going to be this is something that the Cobb access port provides. It's really useful and helpful when you guys decide to do like a pull or a race. So right now Jerry has it set up to 4,000 RPM. So we're just gonna save it, and what that basically does is it holds your rev at 4,000 RPM. So Jair's just gonna give us an example of what that is. So right there, that's what it does. It just holds it, so it makes it way easier for you to be able to launch the car. But we're gonna launch it on the Stage 0 basically, because we haven't put on the intake. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna launch it and see what the 0 to 60 is on the stock STI. Then we're gonna put the intake, do the 0 to 60 again, and then hopefully we see a difference in numbers. So we just got back. He did around 6 to 7 seconds from 0 to 60. So hopefully with the short ram Cobb intake, he's able to reach those numbers a little quicker. But we're back now at the shop, and we're gonna go ahead and install that intake on her. got Brad and Edwin over there. I'll show you guys their cars right now. Brad got an intake, so what do you think about that new flutter? Is it new? We gotta leave it up for at least 15 seconds. Damn, Jerry, you finally stage 1, bro. Damn. Now that the stage 1 tune is on there, we're gonna go for a ride and we're gonna go do another 0 to 60 and we're gonna see if this actually makes a difference. Alright, we're gonna go for that drive now, boys. But this is Edwin's car. And then we got Brad's over here. I told him to give you guys a rev just so you guys can hear it out. Let me hear that new intake. It sounds freaking dope, Brad. Damn!
Holy shit!
Dude, you can hear it.
Dude, that shit sounds so good. Wow, this is nice.
Frick.
Oh my god, bro.
It's there.
Yeah.
Damn, dude. It does fucking. Dude, that sounds nice.
That sounds awesome.
What do you think, Jerry?
Oh my
Damn.
god.
Does it feel like faster?
It does feel a little more like, again, like more
More responsive.
Yeah.
Alright, stage 1, 0 to 60. Launch control is set to 4,000 RPM. Go ahead. Damn! Dude, you hit 60 way sooner. Launch number 2.
Get in real quick. Get in real quick.
Get in, we're doing drugs.
We snap. We snap.
What do you think, Brad?
So
Dude, that shit sounds nice. Doesn't it feel quicker?
Yeah, it does.
Bro, it literally quemó llanta. What you think about the tune, Jair?
It's fucking great, bro. Hell yeah, it's worth it.
Are you pushing any more boost?
Bro, like 1.1 more. It was like 16.8.
Damn, I'm gonna look at the video and see if you beat the 0 to 60, bro. But I think you did.
I think I did because it was a shorter, like.
Sí, verdad, güey. Alright, so as you guys can see, the car obviously sounds way better. There's way more turbo noises, and it honestly feels way quicker. I don't know if he was able to beat the 0 to 60 just yet, but we're gonna go home and check it out. Alright, so does the Cobb Stage 1 make your car faster? And the answer to that is yes. Now, before I keep on going, this is just me reviewing the product and giving you guys my personal opinion of what I think about it. But I figured I'd make a video out of it and tell you guys if it's worth it, what are the benefits of having this. And I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about that right now. But again, before I continue, I am no expert. This is just my personal review of the product, and this is just what I think about it. To start off, yes, it does make your car faster. So if you buy the Cobb Stage 1 package, you're gonna get two things. You're gonna get the Cobb access port and your cold air intake. These are the two things that are included in the kit that's gonna make your car faster. You are gonna be replacing the OEM airbox with the aftermarket intake. Now the aftermarket intake is designed to be able to get colder, denser air into your car, which means you're probably gonna make more power. And the more colder, denser air you put in your car, the quicker it's gonna be. And with the kit, you also get an air box which goes around the intake, which allows the intake to get the coldest air as it possibly can. So that right there is what's gonna help your car get a little quicker, the aftermarket intake. You're gonna help your car breathe in colder, denser air, which is gonna help you make a little bit more power. The second thing that's gonna be on the kit is gonna be the COBB access port. Now, since it is a kit, the COBB access port comes with a preloaded tune map designed for the COBB intake. The reason that the COBB access port is gonna help your car be quicker is because it's gonna give the car a street tune, which is gonna allow the car to accept the intake and give it a little bit more boost. What I noticed is after we put the COBB access port into stage 1 tune, his boost went up either 1 or 2 pounds. So that right there, the COBB access port helped the car read the intake, helping the car get 2 more pounds of boost. Not only that, with the COBB access port, he was also able to get rid of some of that boost lag that the car has by being able to boost a little quicker. That's something that we noticed as well. At lower RPMs, he will build up boost quicker and just go. So those are the two things that why your car becomes a little quicker if you get this kit. Alright, so now is this car part worth it? And the answer to that is yes. It has a lot of useful features in digital reading. So it always has live information on what's going on in your car. And again, if you guys want to know more about this product, I'm gonna have a link down below so that you guys can go to their website and read in detail every feature that the COBB access port provides for you guys. I'm just gonna go over the ones that I personally like. So again, they are gonna have more information and more, what are the full benefits of owning this. But with that being said, honestly guys, it is worth it. You guys should really consider getting this for your car. Again, like I said, it has a lot of useful features. For example, launch control is one of my personal favorites. Again, I mentioned it in the video, but all it really does is it holds your revs at a certain RPMs and it holds it there. As it holds it there, it starts building up your boost so that when you launch, you don't gotta worry for that boost to kick in because the boost is already built up. I actually did one of my sickest launches thanks to the COBB access port. Like I said, it has digital reading. So what I mean by that is you are able to adjust the COBB access port to display up to 6 gauges. You can have up to 6 of them there, and it's just a really cool thing to have because again, it's giving you live information then and there of what's going on in your car. Again, I'm using my hand as the COBB access port, I don't know why. So what troubleshooting is and another really cool feature that the COBB access port has is troubleshooting. It helps you understand the troubles that you're having with your car. For example, let's say you're going on a trip, you're halfway through your trip and you get your check engine light. You're able with the COBB access port to check what is the reason for the check engine light or what the problem might be that caused the check engine light. And it's not going to tell you exactly what's wrong. It's just going to give you a good start to know what the problem is going to be or might be. So you're able to just go on there, check it out, and then you can see if you can move forward or if you should just stop and get the car towed back. It's like my conscience feels a little bit more relief because I know that I have the COBB access port to see if I have any issues with the car. Again, it has live data information, so it is always going to tell me what's wrong. So I am able to see if I have any issues. Again, I'm doing the thing with my hand. If you guys ever do want to go a different route, or if you guys just want to sell the COBB access port because you're doing a part out or whatnot, you are able to do that because in the Subi community, a lot of Subi owners want to have this on their cars. They cannot all afford it when it's brand new, so some people want to buy it used. And it's the same for you guys. You guys can buy these parts used. But again, it's up to you guys if you want to take that risk. Other than that, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I know this video was a little different from what it usually is, but if you guys like that, let me know down below. I'm also going to have the link to the car part that we put on the car. I'm also going to be giving you guys an update on that Subi soon. I know a lot of you guys are wondering what's going to happen with it. But until then, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.